Hi guys, Horse Trader here. I've not put out a video lately due to work and a large number of one-on-one consultation calls I've been having with YouTube viewers, providing specialized solutions to their problems. The need for a one-on-one specialized service is evident from the amount of viewers that have been getting in contact with me. So I'm going to advertise a one-on-one consulting, coaching Skype service where you bring your specific problems and I can direct my energy and my expertise to helping you solve it. The Skype one-on-one consulting calls are helpful and valuable for users of all experience levels, novice, intermediate to advanced. A number of those people will be in the process of building bots for the first time. Also, there are going to be people who already have a strategy, they are trading it manually, and they now want to automate it and implement it into a bot. And then there are those who require troubleshooting on the various Betfair API or Python programming side of things. I've also seen intermediate bot developers who want to optimize their existing code. A more niche service I'm offering is to help those looking to develop a backtesting engine, which I have not shown on the YouTube channel, but I have experience in this development. A major value add from the Skype one-on-one calls is taking advantage of my experience. As most beginners or even intermediates don't know what they don't know how to ask the correct question. So I can help provide direction in helping them understand what they're asking and give them a framework or even topics of what to research to better define that question and also answer the question. I can also provide custom personalized code examples and solutions. And overall, it's just going to be faster getting direct answers as opposed to Googling or going on Stack Overflow for weeks on end with no 100% relevant answer. To get my specialized help, you email me. We'll set up a time, we'll have an initial Skype consultation call where we're going to define the requirements based on your problem. From there, we're going to set a roadmap of steps to solve your problem and form a solution. And then you start executing on those steps after we end that call. We will then follow up via email, and where necessary, we can book additional Skype calls. I'm in the GMT +8 time zone, and in my response to your initial email, we can set a time. I've already had overseas calls with viewers from Europe, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, so time zones can be worked around in this case. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll slowly be releasing very select videos in the near future, but for now, please get in contact at horsetraderytube@gmail.com so I can help solve your bot and API problems.